Welcome back to Njenje Media. My name is Mazezoke. Today is the 3rd of July 2023. As you know, we are back again in court at the Presidential Appeal Court sitting in Abuja. Some call it the Presidential Election Tribunal. Others say it's Presidential Election Court sitting at the Court of Appeal in Abuja. One thing you're looking at now is the continuous protests by Niger Delta youths who were imported from the Niger Delta into Abuja by the contractor of Bola Ahmed Tinubu known as Asari Dokubo, whom you have seen in some cases where he has made allusion that now he is the one guiding some highways in Nigeria, especially the Abuja-Kaduna highway. But let's come back to the point here. It is amazing, and no one cares and no one bothers to know what it takes and what it costs the Nigerian government to have these number of boys on the street on every single day. These are people that are not from Abuja. They are all imported from the Niger Delta, and they have been in Abuja constituting nuisance, and no one cares where they sleep. That means someone is cashing out real big on this. We had reported on this, and I had gone personally to interview them to find out why they are doing what they are doing. And at that point, they even told me that the reason why they are doing what they are doing is to ensure that Tinubu remains the president-select. But you ask yourself, who is funding it? We know who is funding it, but it doesn't make sense. Over 400 people standing here because the court has resumed. They asked the PDP and Labour Party to go to court, and they had gone to court, but they are here protesting every single day. This is madness. This is indeed madness because, when we come out of this court every day, we see them here. They are just constituting nuisance here in Abuja. Someone, according to INEC, has been declared the president, yet his men and his people are still on the street protesting every single day. Isn't that a clear indication that they didn't win and that they are even afraid of their so-called winning? Be the judge. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.